Hello, today I'm going to give you a little update. I have decided I doesn't want to build on this for a while because I need some springs for it. Like you can see the buttstock. I need a spring to take the bolt and just release it, and then it's going to be pushed forward. So yeah. Therefore I have decided to build something new. So I want to build a sniper rifle, but I have found the drawings of an Remington 700, but I doesn't want to make a Remington 700 because I want to build my own sniper rifle. So I have designed a receiver, or just the only receiver for a sniper rifle, because yeah, that is what I have chosen to build as the first thing. So right now it's printing, and I'm going to show you the printing process. So yeah. Alright, you can see the printer is printing, so yeah, here you can probably see it right here. Here you can see how it's building my new receiver. So yeah, let's just open it and see. Alright, you can see it here. So let's just get a view on top of it if you can. Oh, you can see a bit. So yeah, that is the printer in process. Hello guys, earlier this day I told you I'm making a new gun, and here is the receiver. You can see I have built the receiver from scratch. I have designed it. You can see all those little features I got on it, with the bolt extraction and holes up in the top and catch and the locking mechanism and everything I need to make it. So yeah, but now I'm printing the bolt, so yeah, let's go down and see the bolt. So yeah. Yeah, so you can see I got the bolt and it's fine. I can't say why it shouldn't be fine, but I also got this, and this is my upper receiver you have seen earlier, and they fit perfectly together. You can see here, like now it's locked. I got the catch so it won't be uncatch right here. So yeah, I'm gonna do some measurements and make a new one, but that is a very big step for me forward. So as you probably can see, here is I got this notch right here, and that's go into this kind of thing. So it goes in and I can lock it. So you can see now it won't fall out, but when I twist it, it will fall out. Locked, unlocked, and I think that is a very special thing to have, because now I can actually do like a sequence, and I think that is pretty nice. So see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.